If you apply hyaluronic acid serum and your skin feels plump for a few minutes, but later becomes tight, dry, or uncomfortable, your skin is not being dramatic. You may simply be using it the wrong way. Hyaluronic acid is one of the most popular skincare ingredients in the world, but it is also one of the most misunderstood. Today, I will be explaining why a product that is supposed to hydrate your skin can sometimes leave your skin feeling dry. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Stelly. I am a biochemist, the clinical director of Stelly Aesthetic Clinic, and a master of public health scholar. On this channel, we do not just follow skincare trends. We break down what is happening inside the skin so you can make safer and smarter decisions. Today's topic is hyaluronic acid, also called HA. And by the end of this video, you will understand what it does, why it can make your skin feel dry, and the correct way to apply it. First, let us discuss what hyaluronic acid actually is. Hyaluronic acid is a naturally occurring molecule found in the body, including the skin. In the skin, it helps with water retention, tissue hydration, and that smooth, plump appearance people associate with healthy skin. In skincare, hyaluronic acid is used as a humectant. A humectant is an ingredient that attracts and binds water. That is why people love hyaluronic acid serum. They can make your skin feel hydrated, smoother, and temporarily plumper. But here is the important part. Hyaluronic acid does not create water. It only holds water. So the real question is, where is the water coming from? That is where many people get it wrong. Think of hyaluronic acid like a sponge. A sponge is useful when there is water around it. But if the sponge is dry and the environment is also dry, it cannot magically create water. Your hyaluronic acid serum behaves in a similar way. If you apply hyaluronic acid to slightly damp skin, it has surface water to bind to. If the product itself is properly formulated with enough water and supporting ingredients, it can help hydrate the upper layers of the skin. But if you apply hyaluronic acid to completely dry skin, especially in a dry room, hot weather, low humidity, or an air-conditioned environment, the situation changes. The humectant still wants water. If there is not enough water available on the skin surface or in the surrounding air, it may pull water from deeper skin layers towards the surface. Then, if you don't seal it with a moisturizer, that water can evaporate. That is one reason some people say, I use hyaluronic acid, but my skin still feels tight. The issue may not be that hyaluronic acid is bad. The issue is that hyaluronic acid was not properly used. The biggest mistake is applying hyaluronic acid on a dry face and then stopping there. Many people wash their face, dry it completely with a towel, apply hyaluronic acid and walk away. No mist, no dampness, no moisturizer, no barrier support. Then they wonder why their skin feels tight after 30 minutes. That tight feeling can be a sign that your skin needs more water, more barrier support, or a better routine. So please remember this. Hyaluronic acid is not a complete moisturizer on its own. It is one part of a hydration system. You still need a moisturizer to help lock in that hydration. Another thing you should know is that not all hyaluronic acid molecules are the same. In skincare, Hyaluronic acid can come in different molecular weights. High molecular weight hyaluronic acid is larger. It mostly sits on the surface of the skin and forms a hydration film. This can help the skin feel smoother and plumper. Low molecular weight hyaluronic acid is smaller. Depending on the formulation, it can penetrate more into the upper layers of the skin. That is why one HA product may feel different from another. Some products are simple, some are multi-weights, some are well formulated with glycerin, pentanol, ceramides, emollients, or occlusive ingredients. Others may not work well for your skin at all. So do not just buy a product because the label says hyaluronic acid. Look at the full formula and how your skin responds. Here is the correct way to use hyaluronic acid serum. Step 1. Cleanse your face gently. Do not overwash. Do not scrub. Do not damage your skin barrier. Step 2. Leave your skin slightly damp. Not dripping wet, just damp. You can use clean water, a hydrating mist, or apply it immediately after washing before your skin becomes completely dry. Step 3. Apply a small amount of hyaluronic acid serum. You do not need to flood your face with it. A few drops are enough. Step 4. Seal it with a moisturizer. This is very important. Your moisturizer helps reduce water loss and supports the skin barrier. Step 5. In the daytime, finish with sunscreen. Because hydration is good, but protecting the skin from UV damage is non-negotiable. So the simple rule is damp your skin, HA serum, moisturizer, sunscreen in the morning. That is the method. Now, should everybody use hyaluronic acid? Not necessarily. If your skin loves it, fine. But if your skin always feels tight, itchy, irritated, or dry after using hyaluronic acid, listen to your skin. People with very dry skin, damaged skin barrier, eczema-prone skin, over-exfoliated skin, or people living in very dry environments may need a richer moisturizer or a more barrier-focused routine. Sometimes the skin does not need more serums. It needs fewer products and better barrier repair. So if your hyaluronic acid is not working for you, do not force it. Skincare is not about using every trending ingredients. It is about using what your skin actually needs. So here is the key message. Hyaluronic acid is not bad. It can be a beautiful ingredient when it is used correctly and formulated properly. But if you apply it on a dry skin, especially in a dry environment, and you do not seal it with a moisturizer, it may leave your skin feeling tighter and drier. Your skin does not need skincare confusion. It needs a proper system. If you want a science-backed skincare routine designed for your skin type, your skin concern, and your environment, you can book a visual consultation with me at Stelly Aesthetic Clinic using the link in my description. Also, comment below and tell me, do you apply your hyaluronic acid on a dry skin or damp skin? If this helped you, please like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more evidence-based skincare and clinical aesthetics education. I will see you in the next video.